on my way to Elite Custom Lighting this afternoon. I'm finally going to drop off the hitch cover, have Brian make this illuminated SRT hitch cover so we can give it away to one of you guys. He lists them for about $650 or $750. I don't know what. They're pretty expensive. It's got a brake light feature. It's got the high intensity flow series LEDs. It's pretty kick-ass. A couple of people have already bought them from him. He's been getting orders in left and right since we collaborated on this concept, this idea that, you know, it's not a new idea. It's just we took an existing idea and made it better, basically. So he's been doing that, and he's been really busy. I wasn't able to get it to him.
Turn slight right in half a mile.
I wasn't able to get him the hitch cover last month. His schedule was hectic. My schedule was hectic. You got to remember, Brian is also active duty Air Force, so when the military calls, he can't just say no, you know. So the guy's extremely shit, and I got to get over. Fuck me.
In 1,000 feet, turn slight right onto RT 38 eastbound.
So our schedules have been pretty dicked up, you know. He's been busy, I've been busy. Anyway, long story short, I'm going over there right now. I'm going to drop the hitch cover off, talk to him.
Now turn slight right.
And we'll see if he's got anything going on in the shop. All right, let's go see Brian. Let's go see what he's up to. You. There he is back there. Sounds like I'm at a fucking rave. What's up, people? Look, I'm gimbaled out.
What's up, dude? Nice.
What's up, brother?
How you doing?
What you got going on over here?
A little bit of this and that.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that, huh? What kind of headlight's this?
That GTR right over there.
Oh, sweet. I thought the GTR was finished.
More.
Operation Iraqi Freedom?
Yeah.
Outstanding. Look at that. Awesome. There you go. Look at that. Inside Godzilla. How long till this one's ready?
Hopefully we'll bust our way out today.
Has he had any engine work done? Anything tuned, or is it just all stock?
It's tuned, yeah.
Sweet. Oh shit. I'm not paying attention. So that going in the GTR?
Yeah. So DRL's at the end of the bumper. Got my my cutter finally.
Nice. That's what you were talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So I want to show you something over here at Brian's shop at Elite Custom Lighting. I want to show you what he's working on with this GTR. So let me just turn this around real fast. There we go. All right. So this is the headlights. These are the headlights coming out of the GTR over there. And I want to show you what he can do with the Flow series. So you've got a turn signal application. Ah, they're bright too. These are the Flow series LEDs. You can see the patterns. You could pretty much do anything you want. There's all different type of functions.
This Cylon? This Cylon. The one where it
Cylon?
switches to each one.
Cyclone?
Whatever, yeah.
Yeah.
So it bounces back and forth. I mean, there's so many different options on here. How many options total do you think it has?
It has how many different show modes right now?
Different, yeah. We've got popping.
Like 10, about 10. But they're constantly updating the app.
And this
to
is
where it needs more.
from
This is called Blue Ghost.
Blue Ghost?
From Ghost Lighting with
Ghost
a Z,
Lighting?
not an S, with a Z.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these are the same Flow Series
Yep.
LEDs that we
It
got
can-
from Lighting Trends.
Yes, so these are, yes. And with that controller, you can control any of the, like the WS, I think they're 1128 LEDs, which are the Flow Series LEDs.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and there's tons of different settings. You can actually do parking light.
Does it have a
applications as
hazard
well.
function too? Like, will it?
Yeah, the hazards will come on. So if you want it to be a basic turn signal, so I put it on basic.
Okay.
You gotta go back into the
Man, it's pretty bright, man.
this guy. Oh, I think it's because you have it on basic. It's not gonna be working like that. Yeah, just keep that at 0.
Oh,
There it
wow.
is, I don't know why. Oh, I had to click it. It's too fast.
Yeah. if it's
Yeah,
too
so
fast,
you
it's
can do just a basic. If you didn't want the, then you go to it and go to wave. It does that.
Wow, that's really
Sequence.
cool.
And then if you have it hooked up, you can have these hooked up to your brakes as well. So same function as the previous, but all of this other stuff as well.
Wow, that's really
so
cool.
I don't have the wires hooked up to the brakes of the parking lights, but you can have these as parking lights too. Like
Okay.
You bing bing on your car, it'll be like.
So this application we can put on the Jeep. This can go in with the DRL
So,
board
yeah.
series that we have, and that can also be one of the functions as far as the boards that Anthony sells.
Yes, so the boards you're already using have these LEDs in it. So all we
Okay.
have to do is just make an additional this controller.
Wow.
Then you just gotta plug everything in, wire it to where it needs
Okay.
to be.
So what if somebody already had them installed? They already have their LEDs or Flow Series LEDs. Could you just go right in and add the functionality
Yes.
to it? Okay.
Yes.
So that's what we're looking at putting on here. What Brian's talking about on the, see, he's doing the GTR headlights right now that you just saw, but what he's talking about is we have a DRL board that was made by Lighting Trends, and he's talking about our ribbons right here. Okay, these flat boards where your white LEDs sit are basically, they just face straight down onto the acrylic. So what he's talking about is putting that module back there and putting the new Flow Series DRL boards in, and everything you just saw on the GTR headlights we can do on the Jeep. And that's our next project over here, is to get the Jeep headlights doing the same thing. So if you have any questions, you can hit Brian up on his website. It's elitecustomlighting.com. Or if you have any questions that you want to ask me to ask him, or you can ask below and I'll try to answer them for you. But Brian's the guy to go to. Brian and his partner here do all the work, and they also do our hitch cover, and he will have the hitch cover done for next weekend's giveaway. All right, well, I'm leaving Elite Custom Lighting right now. I hope you guys enjoyed walking around and just showing you the shop and talking to Brian for a minute, just to give you an idea of some of the work he does and some of the things that he can do by showing you the GTR headlights and what they're working on right now. We were talking about scheduling my DRL boards. Like I said, we postponed them for like 2 months because it was just his schedule, my schedule were just ridiculous. We're going to work on 2 things. One, he's going to get the hitch cover ready for the giveaway this weekend, which is awesome. So that's going to be done. 2, the DRL boards will be put in before June. We're shooting for before June. We're not going to give a date or an exact time on when we're going to do it. It's going to be before June. And we're going to use this new module that can control the way the lights react. So I think that's actually pretty cool. If we can't get them done by June, our last shot is at the end of the summer in August, when I get the paint correction and some paint work done, and
In
either
half a mile, exit the
Excuse me.
highway at exit 6.
at the last, we'll get the DRL boards will get put on in August. I have the whole month off. I've got 5 weeks of vacation off. We'll get the DRL boards put on
Exit the highway.
mid-August at the very latest. That's what we're shooting at. So can't give you guys a date on that yet. I can just tell you that we're going to get it done this summer. How's that? His schedule was pretty hectic still, and we're working on it. So that's it. If you have any questions, or if you have any ideas that you want to work on, or you have a modification, a lighting modification that you would like to try, contact Brian, Elite Custom Lighting. His website is in the description of this video, and talk to him about, you know, what you had in mind. Like I said, if you want the illuminated SRT hitch cover, he sells that.
Right after 2 miles.
He sells that on his website, so you can just contact him about that, or just go online and purchase it that way. So that's all I got for you guys and girls. Hope you have a good weekend. Stay tuned for next week. We'll be doing the giveaway, okay? And if you haven't seen that video, look for it on my channel, or go to the Facebook page, East Coast Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, and look for the giveaway and the details, all right? So that's all I got for you, and I'm out.